Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a Loom video. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. Click on Library to access all your recorded videos. This section contains your entire collection of Loom recordings, making it easy to manage and organize your content. Once you're in the library, take a moment to browse through your videos and locate the specific video you want to delete. You can scroll through your list or use the search function if you have a large number of recordings. This helps you quickly find the exact video you need to remove without having to go through everything manually. After you've found the video you want to delete, you'll notice a three dots icon associated with that video. This is typically located either on the video thumbnail or next to the video title. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing that specific recording. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the delete option and click on it. This action initiates the deletion process for your selected video. It's important to be certain about which video you're deleting at this stage, as you're about to permanently remove it from your library. Now, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Loom's way of making sure you really want to proceed with deleting the video, preventing accidental deletions. The message serves as a final checkpoint before the video is permanently removed from your account. To complete the deletion process, simply click Permanently Delete in the confirmation window. Once you do this, the video will be removed from your Loom library entirely. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone, so make sure you're deleting the correct video. And that's it. You've successfully removed the video from your Loom account, freeing up space in your library. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.